Hey Junnies, welcome to my clean video, Junnies. I'm gonna chow hoo for my room, Junnies. Hope you enjoy, Junnies. Thumbs up. Yeah, Junnies. Right, before I start this video, I just want to say that if you like this video, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment, and I'll leave a heart and reply. Junnies, hope you enjoy it. Junnies, I just got one down now, Junnies. I'm feeling hungry right now, Junnies. I feel like I'm desperately hungry, Junnies. I feel like I'm hungry now because I've had something to eat. So yeah, but yeah, Junnies, I'm going to teach you how to put it on and how to clean your room, Junnies, by yourself, for fun, Junnies. You know, just like don't do nothing, be lazy and that. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Thumbs up. Hope you enjoy, Junnies. Enjoy. So Junnies, I don't have to switch it on, but I might try myself. I might just if I can't even turn on, I need to get my mum in, so I might just skip the video so you won't see my family again, and so yeah. But we'll just do it. Right, let's do this. Okay. Let's do that. Right. Yeah, Junnies. Yes, right, Junnies. I just my first video, so yeah. Whoa, that's new, Junnies. Oh, Junnies! Ah! I'm so Junnies! Most is support, Junnies. Yes, and we've got thumbs up, Junnies. That's good. Let's just do that, Junnies. That's good, Junnies. Oh man. Yeah, I think it's just one of the try to be independent. Independent. Oh yeah. face. Yeah. Nah. Nah. Any more? I think that's it, Junnies. Hope you tried it. Thumbs up. Junnies. Hope you enjoyed, Junnies. Like, thumbs up. Like, it was so weird, Junnies. When I put that Hoover in my skin, it just feels like who knows? It's just going into it, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed, Junnies. Like, thumbs up. You can you can practice. Like, just make sure it's that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it, Junnies. Just leave a comment if you loved the Junnies or if you enjoyed it. Thumbs up if you want some more Hoovering videos. Oh, Junnies, I think that's just look at my room now. It is clean, Junnies. I just cleaned my room. I know how to put a plug. I just had to put the white plug connected to the Xbox because I had to like copy it, the lines, so I had to put that black plug in there so to connect to there and I can hoover. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thumbs up. And yeah, I had to get my dinner now. So yeah, I'm hungry, Junnies. I'm desperately hungry. Oh, Junnies, I feel like I got like something in my arm, Junnies. I got like hair. Junnies, I got hair in my I got hair, Junnies. Oh man, oh, it's coming to my base now. How's that? I can't see it. Is this kind of believe that? Oh my gosh. Junnies, hope you enjoyed it. And thanks for watching. And remember to be winners. And that was fun. Thumbs up.